Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on following feed preferences. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just come here to show posts from my feeds. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's me here, show posts from my feeds enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.